YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo back with another shiesty moment for you, gang. You know what I'm saying? Let me get myself together. Ain't no need for me to wear a shiesty mask. You see my hair, you be like, oh, that's Pablo. But I got a shiesty mask on because I'm about to do some shiesty shit. You know what I'm saying? Turn this on. Make sure that's recording. POV, y'all the vibe. I ain't do that match. GoPro, we lose the GoPro. If he dies, he dies. For real, man. Cause that man there, I don't know. I need to put my seatbelt on too, though. Hold on, man. if I do the same modifications that those guys do, I'm gonna still be fascinated. So imagine, stock for stock, I got scats and Hellcats. Stock for stock, I got scats and Hellcats. Then you go from stock to like something modified. Slice, just have full bolt on. Full bolt on. I done seen the full bolt on scat be a stock Hellcat, so I know it's running. And ain't no stock RS, ain't no stock SS, ain't no stock GT, ain't no stock 5.0 doing anything like that, bruh. So stop playing on our top, bruh. I'm tired of y'all with that shit, dog. You know what I'm saying? And if you got one, you got one, bruh. I'm happy for you. You chose to choose a Mustang. You chose your Camaro, bruh. I ain't want that. I wanted this for this exact reason that you watching, you listening. You know? I'm just saying, man. I'm gonna have to stop this because I got to run to this thing. Yeah, what's this thing? I'll look back around. Come on, gangster, you can't just stop it. None of that. Damn, I couldn't hold the camera straight. I could not hold the fucking camera straight. So I go. Some shiesty shit. I be cracking myself up, bro, because I be nervous as fuck to do that shit, but I'll do it, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I gotta check them tires, man. That bit almost locked out though. And that definitely make sure you slide in manual, man. Cause that bit kept switching gears. Definitely kept switching gears. I thought I was gonna lose it for a second. Woo! My nerves, look at my nerves. Hey, I see the dude inside the restaurant smiling. That been acting, man. I'm mad at myself because I dropped the camera. My bad, gang. I needed to keep that junk up. But when you get to going, and then like I said, I slide in automatic, so I'm paying attention to the gears. Like them bitches shift. Then at one point in time, the car kind of locked out and went straight. I ain't trying to hit no pole or nothing. Then I got kind of wide. Ooh, that shit was clean, you know. But I can't risk my car. So yeah, that was ugly. You gotta slide in manual. It gives you more control over the car, bro. But the whole thing of me doing that was so you can hear the exhaust sound open up. You see me on the highway, but you heard it open up a little bit more. That thing sounds so good. And I ain't make no smoke. I left a lot of tire tread, but I ain't make no smoke. I'm mad. I'm jelly. I even did a standing burnout before I went into it, so I don't know what happened, but thank you, gang. If you made this far into the video, please, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, maybe check out another video. I'm pretty sure I got something on here that you'll like to watch. Big energy, big lit. It's your boy Pablo. We going up. Thank you for supporting. Rocking out with the gang. Savage gang, you know we lit. All day noggin rockers. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, I'm gonna get at y'all in the next one. Down your bro, I hit her with the rod. Oh my God, this little nigga hard. Please don't get him started.